Aquele show. Ó, que tá fazendo.
I'm a Tuscan, yeah, I rate your whole casa. I'm barking like a pit bull. I'm embarking the arm with citrus on my garments. Disarm if they harmless. I know they be running this rough. We got murderers, robbers, dropping from the chopper. Got the armor plate, got my knife and my revolver. All struggles when they see your head up at the potluck. Clocked up, taking my shot to the top. I'm sick like a sneeze, like a cough, like a wheeze. To your throne, I'm a season, never needed any keys. You believe what you want, but you leave looking gone. They don't understand, so I'ma put it in the biggest font. Hop up my dick, you a bitch, you can sit with the rest of these. Honest trick in the blink of an eye, gon' get put to sleep. Stopping me, not gon' be how you top on my monopoly. Taking this shot to your dome, I'm switching up your properties.
Motherfucker getting jumped out the wind. Caught a murder in the murder with the lighter in the wind. Motherfucker getting jumped out the wind. Caught a murder in the murder with the lighter in the wind.
I got 1,000 fucking reasons to go knock out the block. I got that yayo in my system, now I'm shooting the cop. Yeah, I'm not truck with the chalk and the trucks and the shot of scotch. If you don't want no problems, then just shut the fuck up, don't talk. Yo, I'm paid up, this a PSA, not a fucking rap. Fucking sick of all you rappers saying that you got my back. Number one, did I ask? Number two, you done fast. Number three, if I see you, I'ma beat your fucking ass.
Motherfucker getting jumped out the wind. Caught a murder in the murder with the lighter in the wind. Motherfucker getting jumped out the wind. Caught a murder in the murder with the lighter in the wind. Motherfucker getting jumped out the wind. Caught a murder in the murder with the lighter in the wind. Motherfucker getting jumped out the wind. Caught a murder in the murder with the lighter in the wind.
As I come this fucking day. Tell me if I'm looking better. Just the other night I was playing with this Beretta. I've just been so fed up. My mama said I'm acting kinda different. It's probably all the shit that I've been missing. I don't tell nobody cause I don't do any bitching. Cause that's when all these niggas catch you slipping. Hope I find the truth while I'm alive. Before I fucking die, before I say goodbye, before they tell me all the shit I did was just a lie. This really ain't my motherfucking life. Taking out this notebook every day. Writing about my feelings cause it makes me feel okay. Promised you I'd take you from that life you living now, but then we hit the ground. They say that they're killers, they just pussy niggas. We